Packed with high-tech smart features, this all-in-one laundry appliance comes with a front-loading design that lets you easily place the clothes inside the drum and remove them. Although the 24 cubic inches in capacity is relatively small, the Whirlpool WFC 8090 GX can easily wash and dry an 8-pound load in less than 4 hours. Furthermore, the Load and Go dispenser dispenses the detergent automatically, and all you need to do is top it off every 20 loads. This gives you the freedom to work on other tasks without having to worry about detergent running out. Thanks to the 22 customizable programs, this unit gives you plenty of options to wash your clothes without damaging them. Moreover, it does incorporate a sanitized cycle that increases the water temperature, killing 99.9% of all common household bacteria. For drying purposes, you have 5 different temperature selections to choose from, including hot, extra hot, cold, cool, and warm. If you're not a fan of folding and putting away your clothing after washing and drying, the Whirlpool WFC 8090 features an automatic wrinkle shield option that tumbles your clothes every 12 hours after washing and drying. Along with that, this appliance allows you to remotely launch, pause, and choose a wash setting via your mobile phone through the Whirlpool app. Using Amazon's Alexa, you can also find out how long your wash or dry cycle will take using a simple voice command. And for convenience purposes, you'll also receive notifications alerting you when your load is clean and dry. Go ahead and reinvent your laundry experience with this compact 2-in-1 combo. It has a large capacity, remote control capability, and combines the convenience of a washer and dryer without taking up too much of your space.